Dorothy is a really hardworking student. She has an internship at the prestigious Frankenstein laboratory. At the lab, she works in the biology department, and her job is to observe how different types of bacteria grow. How fascinating! It's the end of Dorothy's internship, and she needs to write a final report about what she learned. She has all the facts, so she just needs to write up her findings in a neat report. Can you believe there are about 5 million trillion bacteria on Earth? Wow, that's a lot of bacteria, and that's too many zeros to write down. Her report is a mess. There's another way. Dorothy can write this huge number in scientific notation. Let's review how to read and write numbers in scientific notation. Just to review, scientific notation makes really big and really small numbers easy to read and interpret. To write numbers in scientific notation, we write n, the coefficient, times 10, the base, raised to the power of a, which is the exponent. N must be greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. 10 raised to the a power represents the number of times we must multiply n by 10 to get back to the original number, the really big number with all the zeros. To make this easier to understand, let's look at an example. We'll write the number 1 million in scientific notation. To do this, move the decimal over till you have a coefficient that is greater than or equal to 1 and less than 10. Now, count the number of times you move the decimal. Each time you move the decimal over one place value to the left, it's the same as multiplying by 10. So, since you moved the decimal 6 places to the left, we can write this number as 1 times 10 to the 6th. Let's help Dorothy write a report. We'll use the same process to write this really big number in scientific notation.
To keep on learning, just follow the link in the video description. You'll get the full video and lots of fun interactive practice problems to test your knowledge.